Okay, it's blooper time. And action. Calling all people. Calling all people. Cut. What? Hammer bro, you're supposed to say calling all members. Oh. Okay, let's try that again. Action. Calling all members. Calling all members. This meeting of the Great Mario Fan Movie announcement is cut. What? Hammer bro, you just said the Great Mario Fan Movie. It's not about that. Oh, right. Okay. Let's try that again. This fan meeting of this channel is officially called to order.
I'll have a medium pizza. Have
Cut. What? You just said pizza. It's not pizza. It's cake.
Oh. Okay, let's try that again. I'll have a medium cake. Have poop. Have mushroom.
What? You just said poop.
Oh, oops. Okay, let's try that again.
And action.
I'll have a medium pizza.
Oh, Pete, you said it again.
Oh.
Okay.
Take. How many take? I don't know.
Action.
I'll have a medium cake. Have chocolate. Have pepperoni.
Peach, you can't have cake on pepperoni.
Oh. Okay, let's try that again. I'll have a medium cake. Have chocolate. Have mushrooms.
Oh my. Oh yeah, never mind. Mind.
What? Hammer said he was calling the order. I think he meant the meeting was about to, get started.
Cut.
What?
You just said distorted.
Oh, god damn it.
And you'll make me proud. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, let's try that again.
Cupcake, cupcake.
My cupcakes, god damn it, I actually messed up a line.
Cupcake, cupcake.
He said he'd think about the meeting was about to begin. Ah, no cake then.
Anyways, first up, we're going to talk about the Craig Mario Fan movie. Oh my god, Hammer bro, let's just stop talking about the Craig Mario Fan movie. Fine. First up, we need to... Ow! Oops, I accidentally fell. Okay, let's try that again. Good point. Yeah. First up, we need to... we need to talk about... Oh, for God's sake. Cut! First up, we need to... We need to talk about... Cut. Freddy, you're not supposed to get the coughs. It's the hiccups. Oh. Oops. My bad. Okay, let's try that again. You're not supposed to still want the camera on me. Oh, sorry. We need to talk about... For God's sake. Okay, cut! We need to talk about... And you fell again. I hate this. And I fell again. Cut. We need to talk about...
Freddy, are you gonna take your girlfriend?
For God's sake, Captain Toad!
What?
It's... Are you alright? Not dating Chica.
Oh. Oops.
I hate you right now. Anyways, we need to talk about...
Freddy, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. And you done it again. Sorry. Jesus God. Yeah, I'm fine, Captain Toad. Cut. What? You're supposed to do 3 hiccups, not 2, not many. Oh. Oops. Okay, let's try that again. He is farting. Cut. What? You just said farting. No. Ugh. Anyways, let's try that. Oh, for God's sake. Why am I keep falling? This is the worst thing I ever imagined. Whoa! Hammer Bro is really clumsy. Nobody cares, Freddy. Okay, whatever.
I care about my boyfriend.
Okay, that's enough. Let's try that again. He has the hiccups. Start farting, Freddy. Wario, this is not the time for farts. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's try that again.
Real. And I fall. Damn it. Okay, let's try that again.
He has the hiccups.
Hold your breath, Freddy. Ow.
Oops. Sorry, Captain Toad.
I'm okay.
Let's try that again.
That never works, Freddy. You need to hold your... Cut. That never works, Freddy. You need to hold your breath and hop on one leg.
Oh, okay. Oh, Jesus God. Luigi, what are you doing?
Oops. Let's sit down.
God damn it! Okay, cut. Who told you that's the cure, Freddy? You need to... Boo! Sorry, Chica. Okay, let's try that again.
Oh, come on!
He's really clumsy, isn't he? Freddy, we don't have time for this, okay? Okay. Anyways, should we try that again?
Yeah, we should try that again.
Okay. Who told you that's the cure, Freddy? You need to... Boo! Oh, who farted? That was me, sorry. Cut! Who told you that's the cure, Freddy? You need to... Boo! Oh.
God damn! Darn it, Freddy, you just made my cupcake fall!
Sorry! Okay, too much falling going on. On right now.
Oh, I can't believe you guys are falling. Okay, maybe we should try that again.
Yeah. Okay. Cut it. Who told you that's the cure, Freddy? You need to... Boo!
Try standing on your head.
Okay. Okay. I got it. Okay. No.
Seriously, Freddy?
Sorry! Okay, let's try that again. Okay, here it goes. Come on. And... Oh. Aw. Well...
Here, take some Coke.
Cut.
What?
Yoshi, you're supposed to say, take some water.
Oh. Okay, here, let's try that again. Here, take the fizzy water.
Yoshi, it's regular water.
Oh, okay, let's just stop now.